Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I am going to tell you how to resolve failed to upload image errors in Kling AI. So let's get started with the video. First, you need to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. So basically, you can switch from Wi-Fi to cellular data, or you can do vice versa. The next thing which you can do is try to clear the cache of the application once. For that, you need to go to the settings of your phone. Once you're on the settings, you need to go to the search bar and search for Kling AI. Scroll down and you need to go to the storage section, and here at the below right corner you will get an option of clear cache. Just click on clear cache and clear it. The next thing, if this also do not resolve the issue, what you can do is contact Kling AI customer support. Open the application. At the above left corner you will see 3 horizontal lines. Click on that, and here you will get an option of contact us. When you will scroll down, click on this. So basically you can either open the browser, or you will get an email ID here. You can copy this and directly email to the team. Here you can paste the particular email ID. In the subject you can write facing issue while uploading image. And you can here elaborate your issue, whatever issue you are facing. You can elaborate with a screenshot if you want to attach the screenshot of the error, and then click on the send icon. So once you have sent it, the team will connect back to you within the email ID and resolve it. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.